Hey everyone, in my today's video I've created this beautiful eye look. It is New Year special. Do try this eye look and let me know in comments if it was easy to recreate. If you love my content, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it and keep watching. For today's eye look, I'm going in with Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette. The very first product I'm going in with is Mehk paint pot. It looks like this and it's in the shade Soft Ochre. Taken Mehk paint pot on my eyelid and I'm going in with brush JH06 and I'm going to apply this eye base all over my lid. I'm going to use Rimmel Kohl London eye pencil. This is in the shade black. Create a liner over my lid using this pencil, and it can be of a random shape. You do not need to create a strict line. It's just to give a little bit of base. Lights Out from this palette, and I'm going to use Morphe M506 brush and take the black color and I'm going to press it on my upper lid like this. Just applied the black eyeshadow all over my lid. You can see just using the small blending brush, and still we can see a harsh line here, so I'm just going to use a lighter shade of brown to blend this out. In the palette it's a bit dark brown, so we always want to use a transition color, and I'm going to blend it here so that the harshness of this look is a little bit settled. So I'm just going to blend this brown shade in circular motions, you can see here, so that the color is diffused properly. After this I'm going to use a lighter shade, which will be this brown shade. Using a fluffy blending brush, bring it here on the edges so that we can soften the edges. So basically we have used three shades: black, dark brown and light brown. So the dark brown shade is just a transition shade so that we can just make it look a little bit cleaner. So I've blended all the three shades together, and next in for the brow bone I'm going to use shade from the palette. The name is Pillow Talk, and I'm going to use a flat blending brush like this. You can have a small flat brush as well, but this one works well for me, so I'm just using it as for my brow highlight. I really want this look to stand out, so I'm going to use a glitter palette. This is from Mars, and if you're wearing a gold dress you can always go with golds or coppers, and if you're wearing a silver dress you can always use silver glitter. So for the black, glitters work really well. You can also apply glitter glue, but with me today, because this is a pressed glitter, I'm just going to use my finger. You can see how beautiful the payoff is on the lid. You can see how beautiful this shade is. You can also use a flat brush, and I'm just using my finger with the eye tape, and you can see a wing has been formed, and it's really beautiful clean look. In with small blending brush, which is M431, and I'm going to repeat the same shades like this. All the time I'm looking down because I have a mirror in hand. For liner I'm going in with NYX Epic Wear. Now this liner is really good, and I'm hoping it will work on my glitter as well. It is working really good on my glitter as well. You can see I've already done this eye. I've just applied all the makeup on my eyes and under my eyeshadow under my lower lid, and I'm going to quickly do my concealer and full foundation, and I will show you how my eyes look after that. I have just applied concealer under my eyes and a nude pencil to widen up my eyes. Mascara, I'm going in with Black Stack mascara from Mehk. I haven't used eyelashes yet because once I apply eyelashes it will be difficult. So for eyelashes I'm going in with these. So I will quickly apply these lashes to my other eye and I will show you my final look. Okay, so this is my final look. So I've just finished both of my eyes and some foundation, blush and lipstick. Hope you love this New Year look.